Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get and redeem Steam coupon codes. Let's get started. There are a few official ways to get Steam coupon codes. The first method is directly through Steam's official website. Occasionally, they offer limited time deals or coupons that you can grab right from their homepage. Just keep an eye out for banners or announcements about active deals. You might see promotions like up to 50% off or similar offers. These can often be redeemed instantly during your purchase. Another method is through the Steam community page. If you visit and follow their community, they sometimes post updates about new deals and available coupons. This is a good way to stay in the loop. You can also follow Steam on social media platforms like X, formerly Twitter. They occasionally post top deals and limited-time coupon codes there as well. Apart from the official sources, you can also check third-party coupon websites. If you search Steam coupon codes on Google, one of the reliable sites you'll find is GrabOn. Just visit the site and browse the available coupons. Another similar platform is coupons.com. Both regularly list third-party deals and codes. When you find a valid coupon, just click on it and then tap Get Deal. If the coupon is applicable to your Steam purchase, it will be automatically applied at checkout. You don't need to manually enter anything if the code is valid. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can get and redeem Steam coupon codes, both from official sources and trusted third-party websites. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.